Hello students, I just want to introduce a tool we're going to use this year called Google My Maps. Not Google Maps, but Google My Maps. And this is a great tool for displaying content knowledge that has to do with geographic things such as trade routes or the diffusion of goods or technologies or disease or anything like that. So first thing to get this down is to go to Google My Maps. And when you get into the app, it looks like this. So the first thing you do when you get in here, and by the way, make absolutely certain that you are logged into your Forsyth County Gmail account, so your Google account, all right? Then go over here and create a new map. And you're gonna get this map. It looks kind of boring. So what we're gonna do is gonna go fix it a little bit. Go to the base map and go to the satellite one. It looks a little bit more kind of geographic, I guess. And for this assignment, we're gonna scroll it over here to China, because this assignment is about the impact that Chinese civilization had on areas around it. So we'll start with China. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna indicate on this map aspects of Chinese civilization that spread into other areas and the effect it had on other areas. So to start off, we'll drop a pin here in China. And by the way, students often ask, where does it have to be? Anywhere, just you're in China. So we'll go up here next to the capital and we're gonna call that China. That was easy enough. And then we wanna get a picture of it. So I'm just going to go into Google Images and say Beijing, see what we have. I'll just grab a cool one like this and put that in. So now we have an image here. So this is where we start. We start at China. Now, get out of that. And what you're going to do is you're going to show how China's influence affected areas around it. So I'm going to illustrate this with something that's not true, because I want you to find the content yourself. But if you go over here and we're going to draw a line. So we're going to start right here. So let's say China had a form of Christianity, and that form of Christianity affected Mongolia, which it did not, by the way. So we're going to go right there, and now we have a line there. You don't have to name the line, but you're showing that from China, Christianity spread here, and now we're going to drop a pin here, right there, and do the same thing. We're going to call it Mongolian Christianity, or anything about Christianity spread to Mongolia. Now here we're going to write the effect that Christianity had on Mongolia. So this is going to be the content, where the content comes in. So obviously Christianity is not one of these examples. And then we're going to go over here and we're going to drop an image. And you saw how we do that before. And then we're going to have the impact of China on Mongolia. So you're going to have a pin here somewhere in China with at least 3 arrows going to different places around here to demonstrate the effect that China had. Now, in the directions, at least one of these things have to be cultural. So they can't, you can do a technology, you can do cultural things, and your map will look like this. And when you're done, you just go over here to share, and you're gonna name it, and probably you can name it your name. And then just anyone can view it, and then go over here and click this, so you copied it. And now what you do when you submit this assignment, you just go there into the assignment page in Canvas, and you just paste that link. Then I can go and I can see your map and give you a grade on this. So that is how we do Google My Maps. You're basically gonna make lines and drop pins and give some text here on what the effect that China had on that area. And remember, they should start from China, and they should kind of spider around to whatever areas were affected by China. And that is that. All right, good luck, and reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.